Today I'm going to make some no-bake fudge. However, I will be using the microwave for about a minute or so. So first we're going to take our chocolate chips. These are Nestle's. You can use any brand you want to. I have some Eagle brand condensed milk and some vanilla flavoring. So it's just 3 ingredients. So we're going to take our condensed milk and we're going to pour it over the chocolate chips. And it needs to be semi-sweet, not chocolate. Chocolate don't work as well. Now let me get a spatula. We want to get all that out of there. We're going to stir that up. Now it's optional if you want to add nuts to it. I'm not going to put nuts in this batch. Now, I'm going to put this in the microwave for about a minute. Okay, we've had this in the microwave for a minute and 15 seconds. We've got it stirred up. Now we're going to put in some vanilla flavoring. I'm going to put a teaspoon in. Going to stir that in. Looks good already, don't it? Then we're going to pour it out on our parchment paper. And we're going to spread it out. You want it pretty evenly as you can get it. Nothing perfect, you know, we're not gourmet cooks or anything, so there we go. Now, I'm going to completely let this cool. Then we're going to cut it in squares, put it in the fridge for about 4 hours. Then it'll be ready. Now that we're at room temperature, it's cooled off. Didn't take it very long, you know, it wasn't in the microwave long. Now we're going to cut it up. Then we're going to turn it this way. It's a little sticky right now because it's not finished. Now we've cut it up in squares. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for about 4 hours. Hello. Now that we're back, this has been in the refrigerator for 4 hours, so it is now ready. We'll do a taste test in just a second. First, I want to make sure you got all the ingredients. We've got 12 ounces of semi or dark chocolate chips, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Now, let's give it a taste test and see how it tastes. Okay, that's pretty good. It's pretty awesome when you hadn't got to cook it or bake it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day.